Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnails, I'm about to show you how to delete a software update on your Android phone. Make it sure to watch until the end because there is something important you need to know about. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open the Settings app and go to your Apps Management. After that, tap the three dots in the upper right corner and select Show System App. And then search for Software Update or System Update. Alright, so after that, tap Storage. Hit Clear Cache and Clear Data. This might remove the downloaded update if it hasn't been installed yet. So if the update is already installed, there is no way to delete it on a regular Android phone. The phone needs to stay updated for security and to work properly. Got it? However, you can stop automatic download, but you can't fully remove a system update. So that's it, you can clear the update only before it installs. But once it's in, the system won't let you delete it. So thanks for watching and see you next time.